that Jimmy and Nath later.
Yeah, who knows, Carol?
Never know.
Never
Yeah,
say
know.
never,
say
Carol.
no.
Never
We
say
put it out there, the universe moment, but not right now, no.
Never say never. Kimmy, hello.
Hi.
Now, Kimmy, you told us about Bradley Smith, the bad boy you went to primary school with in Victoria, Glenordan Primary School. How would you feel if you got to be in contact with bad boy Brad again, Kimmy?
Well, it wouldn't be so bad because he was the chef at my wedding.
He
I don't mind.
You're throwing this information out late, Kimmy.
Yeah, what
Let
do
me
you
tell
mean?
It feels like something you should have said to us earlier.
He was the chef at your wedding.
Yeah, so I just got married a month ago, and when I went in to do final food orders, he walked out, and I was like, oh, and he goes, oh, so you're the bride? And I was like, yep. And
Oh,
then
so
he